Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on POCO X7. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now go to Google account. Then click on Data and Privacy and now you have to scroll down and click on Delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your lock screen pattern. And here you have to scroll down and check these two checkboxes, then click Delete account. And now your account should be removed, so now let's open for example Google Play Store and click Sign In. Now you have to enter your lock screen pattern again, and here you have to enter your email address, and then click Next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so now I have to click Next to recover it. And now I have to enter my password. And now I have to scroll down and click I agree. Then click on More and Accept. And as you can see, my account is now recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.